Hello there. Today I'd like to show you brief and to the point how to test website without writing any code. And I'm going to use the Selenium IDE. This is a free open source IDE. So currently I uninstalled, so I'm going to install this one for my Chrome. I'll click here, and I click here, this page opens, and I'll just add to Chrome. That's it, and it will appear after installation. And here it is. Selenium has been added to Chrome. What I'm going to do is I'll just click that one. It disappeared because it is not my pinned one. So I will just come here and Selenium ID and pin this one here. There you go. So I will open this one, Selenium ID. Here it is. I hope you can see it. And I'm going to create a simple, test. So record a new site in a new project. So that will be I will choose this one. But which website I'm going to test? Now I need that one, right? So I will just enter Salsa demo, this website. And this site we are going to, what is going on? Okay, this one we are going to use, this one. So I'm going to copy this link because I will need it here. So create a new test in a new project, and the name is Swag Labs. I'm going to use the same name, hit OK. And the URL is this one, which is the same one, and I will hit start recording. So let me pull this to the side so you can see. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and you will see there are three things: command, target, value. Here it is the same thing: command, target, value, description. So it will be a little bit difficult at the first to explain. Let's run it and you will be much simpler. So I need to enter username here, right? When I click here, look at this. There are a couple of commands came. So let's make this a little bit full screen. I'm going to move this to the left. You see open, it opens this one. Set window size to this. This is good enough. And click, it will click the username, which is here. You may say, what's going on? What is this username? I can show you the code, but not now, because if I click anywhere, it will record that one. So I will click one more time. It will make that one because I went away from it. And I type this one, it remembers. I'm going to pull this. If you look at it, it says type to the username. This is the ID of this text box. And it entered standard user, whichever one I type. And I click here, you will see another click, which is the password here. I need to enter the password here. It is secret sauce. I don't want to click there. And I will just say secret, if I spell correctly, cells. Okay. And I'm clicking the login. You will see another click to the login, this login button. There's mouse overcame. I will get rid of this one. I don't need it. So that's it currently. I recorded all of them, all steps, but I didn't do any assertions. Currently, this is a successful test or not. It is not going to give any information. I'm going to stop, or is there a possible to pause? Yeah, I think this is a pause, but it doesn't work. I'm going to hit stop recording. Okay, the name is login successful. Okay, I couldn't spell successful. I will just make it yes and okay. So it is saved over here, the name. But what is my intention is to just let me show you this part, because you don't need. I'd like to get rid of this mouse, or as you see, if I right click over it, there are many options comes. One of them is delete, or you can hit the in keyboard delete button. So mouse over is gone. So I'm going to add new what is that command over here. So I need to get this target. So what I'm going to do is this one, I know I'm going to do assert text. Okay, this is a command of Selenium language. If you look at over here, there is an docs over here. Just I opened that one. Okay, I opened this one over here, and there are many commands. One of them is assert text. Let's open. So here it says confirm that the text of an element contains a provided value. This will stop if assert fails. And we need a locator and the text exact string match. So that's the command I'm running, which is the same thing, assert text over here. But I'm going to assert text to where? Okay, this is currently I logged out. Looks like standard user and secret sauce. I'm going to enter here one more time and login. So I'd like to make sure the products exit. This website doesn't let me know like successful login, hey, welcome Murat, or this kind of information. So I see the products wasn't there in the previous page, so I assumed I successfully logged in because I see the product page. So what I'm going to do is assert text. If you look at, there is this select target in page, I will click this one and go and find this location. It is this data test title, okay, and the name matches with products over here, the value. If you look at here, assert text, the location, the target, and this is the value. Okay, this is cool so far, but when I try to run this one, it will not going to successful, right? I'm going to show you how to run. Why? Because I already logged in. So need to clean the campground. So how did you find it? You leave it as they are, maybe better, but currently I'm gonna do this, click here and log out, but I would like to continue recording that part automatically because I don't want to do all these things, this because this is so easy to record. I can do it all of them manually too. So I will hit record, continue. I click here and I can say reset app state. I didn't add anything to the cart. I can do it. I'm gonna log out. So when I log out, so I find the website like this and I leave the website like this. So it is successful. So let me stop the recording and test. Okay, stop this. This I'm gonna save it to my desktop. Here it is. This is for video. Let's make this for video record. Okay. So here it is. I saved it. So we know how to save. So let me run this and let's see. There is a run current test. I have only one test. So if you have many, you can run all of them. So let's click this one. You will see it. Things will go fast. When I click this, it opens, logs in, and then logs out. And all of them successful. You see? Perfect. So let's try to fail it. Because I'm expecting products here. Instead of products, I will just say products, 1, 2, 3, which doesn't there. So let's run this test again. Run. So it failed. If you look at my test failed because this doesn't exist. So let's fix this back. But currently my test should fail again. Let's see. Okay, it didn't. This is cool. So everything successfully run and we are good now. So that's it. In a simple way, Selenium, you can use Selenium IDE to test. So I just showed you the, just like a Pareto principle, very important ones over here. Without assert, this is not a test. It will run and click all of them. And you can you can install the Selenium IDE very easily to, choice of your browser. Currently, 2 browser they are supporting, and you can see this Selenium commands. These commands are, so you have tons of commands if you look at over here, and then you need the one test site, and you don't need to use this site. You can use your real website to test. That's it. Thank you.